Okay, this presentation is about an observation that the system is okay. So what I did is I created the analysis for today. Where'd it go? Nope. Yeah, we show the analysis. PSX KN analysis for today, which is the 17th of August. So today, in the 17th of August, the shares that are popping up is Bank of Punjab, SNBL, Pagarai, Capco, NPL. Now all of these are like, we're waiting for them. Actually, they're already on the upside. We already bought them. We're just waiting for them to sell. But notice, what I notice is there's nothing else that is in the list. So, like for example, all of these, the ones that we have, I mean BOP, it's already up. So we are waiting. Capco is, we are waiting to sell. BOP we are waiting to sell. NPL was also in the positive and waiting to sell. And Mari is also waiting to sell, but not in this list. And then we have Capco. Yeah, okay, Capco is the number one. So Capco, NPL, Pagarai. Pagarai is the only one at 0, so we can add a bit more of this. SNBL, okay, this one's also in the positive, and BOP. So out of all these 5, only one of them is at 0. It means it's at the same price as what we bought it at. So that's the only one we can sort of say, okay, we'll try to buy some of this more at a lower price than what we bought, which is like just reduce it by a little bit and bid. If it comes in, fine. Otherwise, we end up getting none. So we're just waiting for the return on these guys. And since there is nobody else to be able to buy for, which is an unusual situation. So I said something unusual is going on because there is nothing good to buy. So maybe the stock market is way too high for this kind of situation to occur. Because the usual traders, it accidentally drops something and it changes a bit. But what I did is I checked the PSX KSE 100 graph, and what do we see? It's gone up to some kind of a new record or something. If you look at the 1 month graph, it looks like, yo, it went up. It can't be like 40,000 just a few days ago. Is this like volume? No. Oh yeah, okay, 2023. So, I mean, it's suddenly just, it was here and then now it's like 146. Maybe the news is something like there's a new record being created. But whatever the case, what I notice is if we have this kind of analysis and there is nothing available to buy and we're just waiting to sell, it means the market is likely high. So when you check the market and it is found to be high, so that is the correlation that our system, the variables that we are selecting are pretty good. And they are nothing to do with, they are almost the total opposite of the variables that the traders are using and whatever signals they are creating. Even the AI got confused with the signals. So this is a good situation for us. For everybody else, it's business as usual. They're just speculating and investors do invest. So that is it for this presentation. Yeah, by the way, we have finally gotten the actual results. It is something like 23% or something like 27% before taxes. But the more important number is, for the investor, it is 18.81% per annum after taxes, and there are no more taxes. So if somebody wants to invest, that's, I don't know if it's, I mean, compared to other investments, it's a very good deal, but it's only for those people who know us and understand and they can invest. The others, you're going to have to, just stick with whatever options you got.